Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Ford Mustang. It's a new casting and it's by Matchbox and comes for their moving parts line. And as you can see, it has an opening hood. So let's just open it up and see how does it look. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm gonna try posting more videos this year, so maybe 4 or 5 videos a week. So you'll get to see a lot of new diecast. Okay, let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Mustang out of the packaging. So this one is a Mustang GT, which is their V8 version, I guess. I think they sell this one the most because I've seen a lot of GT on the road. So let's talk about this. Red and black looks really good, especially because if you see at the front end, the grille is all black, so it kind of matches the entire theme with the black wheels. Now the other thing you will notice up front is the detailed headlamp. You can see the Mustang badge in the grille. You got the lower grille also detailed, so even the vents on the side, everything is detailed. It looks nice. That's a I would say good details you can get on the front, especially it's because it's not the collector one, it's the moving parts lineup. Also on the front you can see there's a hood scoop. You've got both the mirrors, you can see the bulge in the hood, again because it's a V8. Now let's move to the driver's side. It's a Mustang, so it's a 2-door. That's what you see. You can see the slide running board here, again finished in black. Interior also seems to be finished in black. You've also got the fuel filler door on the driver's side. Let's move to the back. Again, nice details here. You got the detailed tail lamp, you got the GT badge, you got a number plate with GT on it, and you got the quad exhaust. So you can see the lower part of the bumper finished in black. And you can't miss this trunk spoiler. Looks good. And then there's this shark fin antenna on the roof. Again, nice details. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Doesn't have the fuel filler on this side, that's it. Now, since it's a Matchbox moving parts lineup, it has got an opening part or moving part. For this one, it's the hood. And if you look inside, there's a V8 in there. So again, nice details. So overall, this Mustang, I would say it's a nice model. Looks really good. And for moving parts, they fixed the hood, which was an issue for a few recent ones. And it looks really nice. And I think it will make a nice addition to collection. Also wait for my next videos because I will have another 2 Mustangs. Yep, the new one in my next videos. And maybe in the third one I will show you all together. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.